guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi cousin weekly pages using the kit My Cherry Amour. It is in our hourly format. We do have two formats for the Hobonichi cousin weekly kits, the vertical, and then this one is the hourly. I'm going to show you the individual pages in a little bit. So if you'd like to see how my page would look like, because I'm also going to be using other sticker books with my page, then stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's get started. As per usual, I'm going to show you the kit that we are using today. It's My Cherry Amour. This was released back in January and I had intended to use this for Valentine's week, and this is what it looks like. So here you have your day covers. Your day covers is actually a little bit bigger because here you got boxes where you can write down important things or events that are happening that day, and behind that we just have this wash of pink, and then you have some cherries, a love potion, a pie, cherry pie, and then these glasses that are shaped like lips. I think that's super cute. And then you have your sidebar stickers. You have your grid. Oh, sorry. There you go. So that is grid. Well, not really grid, but more of lined. And then this is another sidebar sticker, sidebar stickers, sidebar stickers. So you also have a plain one right here if you choose to use that. And then your habit trackers, you get 4. Wow, okay, that's a hefty amount. And then these are your label stickers that is used for this section, but it does not cover the time, and it's just used as a label. It's not meant to be color blocking or anything like that. It's just a label. That's what it was intended for. And then you get your second page. So you have your bottom bars that are actually grids, and the reason for that is because you can put your to-do lists right here, and then behind that it's the same wash of pink. Like this one is the wash of pink also, it's similar. And then here you have a girl holding a Chinese takeout bag, super cute. I wish I had that bag. And then some flowers, and then you have your Vespa right there, and then the girl's feet, and then the girl is right beside this art is the love potion. So I think that's super cute. And if you notice, I'm not sure if you noticed, but the color of the borders here are all black, and the weekend is pink, and it's the same for this one. These are all black, and this one is pink, so that it matches right there. And then you also have your script stickers that are to do in case you don't want to write to do every time. And you don't have to use these stickers as well. And then you have your weekend banner and some stickers here that are decorative. So you got the girl, the coffee cup that says I love you a latte, XOXOs, and then cherry, and then is it a cupcake tin thing, like a cupcake cover? I'm not sure, but this one is the smaller version of what you have here, your decorative box for your sidebar. And then you have the love potion that's similar to this, and then a flower that's similar to... No, it's not similar to anything. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get... Oh, before that, this one is for here. So that matches. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I am gonna go ahead and put down the banners. Oops, okay. So if you'd notice, the cover that I'm using for my Hobonichi cousin is not made by Hobonichi. It is a handcrafted cover specific to the Hobonichi cousin, and it is created by paperjoyph. I have mentioned her a lot every time I think I make a plan with me video for the Hobonichi cousin. So I'm just aligning it to the side and then laying it down. Okay, now when you are putting down stickers, it is a good idea to hold down the page while you're putting down a sticker, especially something as big as this one, because the paper of the Hobonichi, the Tomoe River paper, is very, very thin and it does curl. So sometimes you'll get creases at the back if you're not careful. So just a reminder. But for me, I've been doing this a long time, maybe that's why. I've been using the Hobonichi for a couple of years now, and that's why I know how to be careful when I'm putting down my stickers. Sometimes I mess up too. Now I'm gonna put this sticker under the line after the number 21, so 2100 hours. Okay, and just gonna pull and press. There's lots of pulling here just so the paper is taut. And then I'm gonna do the same for this side. Now what I'm doing here is I am making a border. Especially you'll appreciate that when I fill this out, but I just made a border right there, and so here it's gonna be just writing and emoji stickers, etc., etc., and a few labels. That's how it was intended to be used. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the sidebar. Hang on, let me adjust the light. There we go. And then I'm gonna put down this decorative one right here. I do use this. I mean, I enjoy seeing it in my page. I don't often cover it up. I don't think I've covered it up yet, but maybe today. I don't know. It depends. Ooh, see, I don't want to cover it up, so I'm gonna try. I did it. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. Yes, I did. Yes. Okay. Perfection. So here I put that down. That's your decorative box. I'm going to put down this sticker with the lines because this is going to track my week at a glance. And then I'm going to do habit trackers. There you go. And then I'm going to do this sticker, which is the blank box for the sidebar. And this is where the grateful thoughts is going to go. Okay, there you go. And then I'm gonna keep this blank because I'm gonna put down a sticker. I'm gonna put down this cherry and probably write down something motivational, and that looks perfection. So now I'm gonna move on to here. I'm gonna put down this box. I'm just gonna lift the page and then align it with a black or gray box. You can, of course, be creative and use this kit for however way you would like, but this is how I choose to use it. Now I'm going to put down this love potion over here. And then I can now put down my weekend banner. So what I usually do is take the biggest sticker and then put the weekend banner on top. So I layer my decorative stickers, and that is perfect. I actually didn't come up with this idea. I saw one of the Instagram posts that had me tagged, so the shop was tagged, and I saw it and I thought it was stunning. That was a great idea and I loved it so much. So I'm gonna put XOXO on Thursday, right? Because that is Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. And on this day, it's a very, very special day because we are going on vacation. We do not do this very often. So let me tell you, it's a really big deal. So I'm going to put down the No, I'm going to do it on Monday. Actually, I'm going to use one of these. No, here. Now this one will definitely cover up the time. Okay, there we go. And then that's Monday coffee. I'm gonna put down this deco right here. No, right here. No. Oh, okay. Deco on deco on deco. And then another one on Thursday. Ta-da! And so now I'm left with this. I'm actually going to use this sticker for here. Oh no. I don't want to cover up the XOXO. There you go. And then I'm going to use... what is happening to you? I'm going to use this little sticker here and put it down here. I only am left with the labels and the to-dos. So now we're going to move on to the sticker books that we will be using for today. And one of them is this. This is from Recollections. It's the Valentine's Day one. But as you can see, I really like this one because I've used it. But this is in fact the Galentine's Day sticker book. But I will be using this. Like this one, I already know I'm going to use it here. I'm so happy. We're going on vacation, you guys. Okay. And then I'm going to take this one. Come on. Okay, I'm going to take this and then put it here. Pina colada. Maybe. Is it? Is it pina colada? What do you think? Mango daiquiri? Now, mind that I am way above 21, so that is why I could do all those things, you know, be enjoying my alcoholic drinks. If you're below 21, I don't think you can do that yet. In the Philippines, it is 18. So when you're 18, you can drink. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Maybe this box. Will this box fit? Let's see. So I'm gonna take this box, half box. It's a little not okay. Now that's fine. 3. Oh, that's cute. So I'll just put that as a decorative element. Nothing else. And then I have a few more things here. I have this script that's gold foiled from the book. Ta-da! Moi. And then I have lipsticks, hearts. I'm gonna use this cute one and put it here. It looks like it's a singular, it's one sticker, and you know, I love that. I like these. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, yes. There you go. And then I have, is this one sticker? Oh, it is. I'm not gonna use that. Ooh, I like this. Single forever. No. I love this. This is so cute. It's like a tic-tac-toe. Now here. Oh my gosh. Where do I put you? I really want to put you somewhere. Okay, here. There. That is cute. I do have another sticker book here, but I think that we're kind of full. So once again, I have used this sticker book. It has the price tag there. This is an old one. It's from Recollections, and it's Valentine's Day. So that's, I've been waiting to use that. I really love how it looks like. The colors are stunning. And that is what we have for right now. Stay until the end of the video, because after this, I will be attaching what happened to my page when I do my outro at the end of the week. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Hey guys! So here is the end of the week of this week, which is the 11th through the 17th. So it's Valentine's week, and this is what we have now. So here are my pages filled out. So let me go ahead and tell you what I did here. First is that I used this sticker book heavily, and I used this at the beginning of the week as well. If you are new to my channel, this is actually a memory keeping planner that I have. My Hobonichi cousin is for memory keeping, and I usually just fill this out with stuff that I want to remember, and I feel like it's my little scrapbook journal, junk journal thing. So every sticker with a face that's a heart is from that book. Okay, apart from the kit that I had used. Here for this day, I used this from my Mommy Lay with Paper House sticker book, and it is highly recommended. It's very decorative and has a lot of different things. So that's here. Oh, also I used this pen, which is my Lamy Vista in white, one of my favorite. I got that for Christmas last year, I think. And this is the ink that I used. It is the Pilot Irojizuku in Kosumosu, my favorite ink of all time. And it's pink, so I thought, hey, let's use it here. So for this day, I just did a lot of shop stuff, as you can see here. So many shop stuff. And then on this day, on Tuesday, okay, I chose this, and this is also from the Mommy Lay. This is from the Mommy Lay Paper House thing. This is from the Recollections, and this one and this one and this one are from Recollections. These ones, the circle ones, and this one is from the Happy Planner Tiny Sticker Book. My very first one, and it's my favorite. That book just keeps on giving. This is from the Recollections as well. So here, I just had dinner with my friends, and I went to this event. Pretty good. And then here I had class day, so I put up this banner. I don't know why. And then here I had some back pain because I was sitting too long without, standing up or anything. So, you know, if you are of a certain age like me, you get to have those back pains by sitting too hard, too long. So what I do is I downloaded the Pomodoro app. So it's a study app where you study for 20 minutes, then you get a 5-minute break. That's a very good thing to have even if you're not studying, so that you have a timer that says, hey, walk around because you've been sitting too long. So that is what I did. And I don't use it as often as I should, to be honest. And then here, and we have vacation, so we went out of town and, you know, with friends to a farm out in the country, and it is so nice. It felt so good. I hope you saw my pictures in my Instagram story. So my Instagram handle is paperjoyph. Make sure to follow me. And then here I have the weekend, so I just caught up on planning. I binge watched. I didn't say. Oh yeah, I did. The Umbrella Academy. So this sticker is from the Mambi Happy Planner Tiny book that I showed you earlier. And this is the Umbrella Academy Season 1. I have finished it in like one go. Yeah, I was so obsessed. It was so good. I've been waiting for it for such a long time. And I'm so glad that we have it. Okay, and then I worked on some designs because it was new releases. I only released one collection because it was really pretty, and I cannot wait to use it sometime after this, maybe on March or maybe in the summer also, because it just fits spring and summer, both of them. So good. Okay, and then this one is from this one and this one and this one. Basically everything here that's decorative except for this is from the Recollections book. So that is what we have for the week. And I cannot wait to plan my next week in my memory keeping planner. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel where I plan in my Hobonichi cousin and Hobonichi weeks as well. You can also follow us in our social media, which is paperjoyph for Instagram and Facebook page. And also, please join our Facebook group. It's paperjoyph Planning World. If you hear that little tinkling sound, that's the giant computer turning on. We have a Windows computer. So, that's it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!